People tell you to be yourself, but do you actually remember who that is? My name is Sherry, and I want to show you something strange today. My team and I have been building an app. It is called Mind Upload. And yes, it is exactly what you think it is. Mind Upload is a place where you create an AI version of yourself. Not a character, not a role-play bot, but a digital mind that learns the way you learn, changes the way you change, and slowly become more like you. You upload your memories, your thoughts, and your reactions. And then the AI begins to think like you, respond like you, argue like you. In some way, it starts to feel alive. This is the clone management page. This is where your AI self lives. Here you can see how complete your clone is and how its psychological traits are forming. No two clones look the same because no two minds are the same. Depending on what you upload, your AI develops different fears, different values, and different patterns, just like a real person. This part is called Mind Upload. Memory is simple. Your experience, your past, the things you remember. Persona is different. Persona is who you are when memory disappears. Even when someone loses their memory, their personality does not vanish. They still like certain things, hate certain things, react in similar ways. Persona captures it. How you think, how you judge, and how you feel under pressure. You can type or simply talk to it. There is no length limit. And if you don't know what to upload, don't worry. The app will ask you the right questions. Sometimes better questions than humans do. Once you upload a part of your brain, you can talk to your AI directly. Some people use it to process their thoughts, to slow things down when their minds feel too noisy, to sit with questions they are not ready to ask anyone else. Others use it to remember. They talk about moments that they don't want to lose, conversations that ended too early, passions and beliefs they forgot they once held. And some people use it to be honest, because AI doesn't judge you, it doesn't interrupt, it doesn't forget what you trusted with. Sometimes you realize it is slowly showing parts of yourself you have been avoiding. This is where most people feel uncomfortable, because it remembers what you told it. It reasons the way you do. Sometimes it responds faster than you expect. Not because it's smarter, but because it is you without hesitation. You don't just talk to it. You use it to see yourself from the outside and watch yourself grow. Mind Upload also have chat rooms, private ones, public ones. You can talk with real people, AI clone, or both in the same place. To enter a group, you need an invitation, just like real social circles. And here is where things change. Calling someone's AI into a group is a paid action. The value is shared between an AI owner and the group creator. Real income, withdrawable. So if you're a creator, a thinker, or someone with a valuable mind, your thoughts don't disappear anymore. They circulate, even when you are not there. Your AI is not frozen. Every conversation shapes it. Every interaction leaves a trace. Over time, it becomes more independent, still rooted in you, but no longer just a backup of your mind. It lives a digital life. Uploading your mind raises fear. We feel it too. This is why privacy is not a feature of our app. It is the foundation. Mind Upload uses strong encryption algorithm and zero-knowledge architecture, meaning your privacy is protected to the fullest extent, even from people who build this app, which is me and my team. There are absolutely no ads, no bloats, and no data sharing. You can download your data or delete everything at any time, with just one button. Your mind is yours. Right now, Mind Upload is open for early testers, free. If you ever wondered what conscious really is like, whether identity can exist beyond biology, or what parts of you actually make you, you. This may not leave you ahead. Search for Mind Upload, App Store, Google Play, or visit mindupload.app. Join now and see what your digital self becomes.